Hello everyone, this is me, Mom Shawie Vlog, and today I just want to flex this impressive thing I have received and also to give thanks and recognition to our dear seller for this. So presenting to you our new vacuum cleaner, high power car vacuum guys. So guys, when I received the package, it is being sealed on a bubble wrap. So sealed. And so as with the unit, still sealed guys. You see? Still sealed. Sealed with a kiss. And so this guys, this vacuum is a wireless vacuum. Chargeable portable vacuum with USB port. All you have to do is to charge it if it has no battery. So if I have to rate from 10, so 10 over 10. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. I love this wireless portable car vacuum cleaner. Compact, powerful, and super convenient. Perfect for a quick cleanups and deep cleaning alike. So battery also guys is impressive and the suction power exceeded my expectation for such a small device. It's very easy to use and it can be stored in the car. So I would be highly recommending this to anyone looking for a hassle-free cleaning solution. It's a great product and fast delivery from Tiger App Store. So thank you very much, my dear seller, for this. More power to your store, and I am highly recommending your store and this product as well. So this is me, Mom Michelle the Vlog, and God bless everyone. Thank you.